Welcome to the Corsa video, and this is a bit of a follow-up from the previous video. So if you cast your mind back to the previous video, I had a bit of trouble with the oil filter when I did the service. I've since got one which I hope fits, and what I'm suspecting here is that the engine or even the oil filter assembly might have been replaced. I mean, I don't know the history of this car, so just pop up the get the bonnet. So as you can tell, I'm not at headquarters. I'm at the where Hayden and Tom live, and it should be a simple 2-minute job to change that filter out. So I'll do that off camera. Obviously, if there's any problems, you'll know about it. The good news is that went without a single hitch, or an exact match for the old filter, and that's off a slightly older Corsa, like sort of Corsa C and early Corsa D. So what I'm doing is I'll keep this, and then I can cross-reference it should I do another oil change on this car. So that was the follow-up bit, so I'm happy with that. I'll just quickly check the oil level, and then there's another job which I was supposed to do in the last video, but we forgot about it until it was too late, so we'll see if I try to address that. So the other issue which didn't make it into the previous video was, as soon as I unlock the steering, was the centre display. Now it doesn't appear to work, but if you shine the torch on it, you can actually see the display. So that means the bulb has failed. Now to get to this, you need to pry off this speaker cover, and I should have brought my big trim tools. They're in the Volvo, which is serving as a workbench. So just get this speaker cover off, and then I believe it's a T20 Torx, which is why I brought my 1/4-inch driver socket set, because it's a bit awkward with the slope of the windscreen. Okay, I don't know how well this is going to turn out. Yeah, I'm on my little tripod. Let's have a look. I've got all my trim tools, but getting this out might be a bit difficult. Now there we go. Just pry it out, and there's our fending screw, which should be a T20 Torx. Oh no, let's have a look. Is it? Oh, it's a 25. Don't do the 25. All my Torx bits are in the wrong place. Why? Yeah, they've all moved about. So let's have a look. This should be the T20. Yep, there we go. Oh. So just it should be alright where you are. So unscrew this T20. Now you see why I've got my 1/4-inch drive ratchet. Right, try not to lose the screw, and then this all, let's see if I can just lift, see if I can just pry this off. Don't need to remove the entire centre console. Oops, camera slipped. That's a bit precariously balanced on the dashboard. In fact, just hold this in my hand. That's what. There we go. It's coming out. Just prise out. And there we go. I've managed to get that out. And then just disconnect this. This is not too dissimilar to my Astra G. I had a 2001 Astra G, which was featured on the channel when I started. And there's the bulbs. I probably don't have them bulbs, so I might have to get them ordered in. But I'll take one out, see what it looks like. Lucky I brought this socket set with me, because these bulbs, I can remove them with a 6mm socket. You just do a quarter of a turn and they come out. Well, that's the hope. Yep. Sorry. So I managed to get one of them out. Yeah, it looks like they've probably burnt out, these bulbs. Now, I'm not sure if this is an all-in-one or you can just replace the bulb. So, just a bit difficult to do this one-handed. So let's have a look. Let's see if this will come out. No, it's an all-in-one. So I don't know where I'm going to get one of these from, but at least we know that that's what the problem is. The bulbs have just burnt out. So I'll have to come back to you, see if I can find some. Might try local Alfords or something, and then we'll come back to you when we've got some suitable bulbs. Well, I had no joy in sourcing any bulbs, so I'll just order them online. In the meantime, I'll just reassemble this. It's no worse off, you know. Bulbs and no bulbs, it's the same. So I'll come back to you when I've got replacement bulbs. I've started to edit my video, and I managed to source some replacement. Those are the original burnt out bulbs. I managed to find these at a local motor factor, £4 each. And another job I'm going to do on this Corsa when I get back to it is to sort out the number plate bulbs, and I'll just show you where I found them. So these are number plate light holders I found on eBay, and once I got them fitted, it should sort out all those error codes that it had because of them LED number plate lights. It's now 8 days later. I'm back at the car. I'm ready to fit the bulbs. You saw them earlier on, these bulbs, so I'll get these fitted, and then that should be the display done. And I've got my number plate lights, so I'll do them next. Bulbs are fitted, so it's time for the moment of truth. Yes, we have working. One of them doesn't seem to be in the way, you know, like to reseat that bulb, but yep, we definitely got a result there. So I'll just move that. Try that bulb again. One's obviously not seated correctly. So yeah, there were only one bulb seated correctly. It's all working, and you can see all three bulbs are illuminated from the back of the display. So that's one confirmed fix. Now we're going to move on to number plate lights. So the problem of these number plate light units, they're causing all sorts of error codes. So what I'm going to do is swap them out with these original ones. So, oops, just a bit hard to do one-handed. So, hope you can still see. Let's have a look. Oops. And I forgot to bring the trim tools, so I'm just going to think of something else. So now I've got something to lay on. Let's see if I can just get these light units out. And I should have brought a screwdriver with me. Right, I'm obviously not going to do this with bare hands, so I'll come back to you when I've found something suitable. So I've got a flat bladed screwdriver, so if I just push that, I should be able to take this out. There we go. And then just got to find the connector somewhere, which will be in there somewhere. And there we go. And it's even got the original bulb holder. Obviously these plug straight into the bulb holder. So I'll just dig out. Now, normally number plate lights shouldn't cause CAN bus errors. So I'll just fit a normal filament bulb. No, I do have some LED bulbs, but let's have a look. Just fit this in. These holders only go in one way. Let's have a look. I think I'll swap that bulb holder out as well. Because I know this fits in this holder. Better not forget to carry the bulb over. Unfortunately, with bulbs like this, it's just a bit dim compared to the LED. Now, I do have some LED bulbs I could try. Perhaps I'm on a bit of a slope, so bulbs are rolling about all over. I'll try sling one of these LED bulbs, see if they cause any CAN bus errors. If they do, I'll have to get CAN bus bulbs. Again, that's not much better than the filament bulbs, so I'll try a different bulb. But that's how it's done, and I'll just rinse and repeat with the other one. So at the end I've had to fit filament bulbs to these, like, you know, these number plate bulb holders, because it was still causing errors. So I need to get some CAN bus bulbs or some LEDs with load resistors. But that's a job for another day, so I'm going to end the video here. Hope you enjoyed this one. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.